Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money using a stand store. This tutorial is for completely beginners. I'm just going to show you how to set up all of your stand store and share it on your Instagram and make money from it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now let's get started. First of all, you of course want to sign up on stand store and also set up your payment methods. So go to settings and go to payments. On payments, you can set up your Stripe account or add your PayPal account. So once you will do that, you can now go ahead and create some products. So once you click on your store, you will see your store, which is what other people will see. Now you will have your landing pages, which you can go ahead and create and share it with others. This will not be shown in your store for the whole public with this link, but you can go ahead and move it to the store if you want to. Now there's a design section which you can edit however you like. There's a lot of to choose from, so you can go ahead and choose whichever you like the best. I'm just gonna leave this one right there. You can change the colors also and change the font. Now how to set up your store. First of all, you will need to go ahead and create lots of digital products to sell. First of all, you need to set up your logo. So to set up your logo, you're gonna click on this one, edit, set up your display name, add your logo here. Now once you will add your logo, you can go ahead and enter your bio. I'm just gonna leave it like so, digital products and Instagram growth. Make sure you know your niche, what are you selling, and so on and so forth. So you can sell lots of digital products here, courses, and many more things. Here you can add your social links. Now once you will add it, just go ahead and save it. And now you want to go ahead and set up this section. I already added a new section, but here what I suggest you to do is collect emails. But first we're gonna go ahead and add a product. So I would choose this option. As you can see, there's a lot of product to choose from. We're gonna go through that step by step. But first you want to go ahead and collect your emails just like so. So you can offer something for free, like starter guide or something like so. Just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some type of image here. Now for the title, let's go ahead and write down digital marketing starter guide, for example. Whatever you are selling, go ahead and write that down. And let's go ahead and write down what they will get. Now, after we've done with that, I'm just gonna leave download here, and you want to collect their name and email. That's pretty much it. You can add a field if you want to collect something else, but would just leave it like so. Also here you can just add your logo if you want to. Maybe let's add a logo. It will look a little bit different and cleaner. So, and now let's publish it. After you have done with that, I'm just gonna add it here and delete this section. Now for the first products, you want to go ahead and add the ones which are for complete beginners. So I'm just gonna go ahead, add a section here and write down something. If you are a beginner, start here. Save it. And now you will see it here. Now we have this section, and from here we're going to create a product which is for complete beginners. We're going to add a product, and after that we're going to put it somewhere else. So now you want to go ahead, either put any course, a webinar, or a digital product. That's what I would suggest to do. If you are doing coaching calls, then add it there, so you would attract more people. So for example, let's go ahead and add a digital product. Let's go ahead and maybe leave it like so. Now we want to select your image. Now you want to go ahead and choose what you will be selling. So for example, let's go ahead and create some type of digital product. Now, when you will know what product you will be selling, you can go ahead and name it. I'm just gonna write down something like so, like a bundle. And let's add something like so. So this was how it will look like. Now we're gonna click next. Here you will need to go ahead and upload your digital product. So to create a digital product, first of all, of course, you want to go ahead and have a niche you are focusing on. I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on like a digital wealth and so on and so forth. So to do this, you want to go ahead, for example, to ChatGPT and ask for it to create you some type of structure. So for example, here I just asked to create like an e-course with modules and lessons. It's not all of it, but it's just a structure. So this would fit really good for the course. Now, while we are creating digital product, you can go ahead and also ask for ChatGPT to create you one or just help you create it. So for example, I just asked to create me a digital product for the sake of this video. And then you will have your product structure, the description, and many other things. So once you will have it, you can go ahead and just add it to your stand store, something like so. Now let's go ahead and add a description. Now, after you will be done with your course and write down all of your descriptions and so on and so forth, you want to go ahead and upload your digital product here. Now it will be uploaded, and also you want to go ahead and set the price. And after that, you're all set up. So basically, you want to go ahead and choose a niche which you want to go ahead and sell. This is just a wealth niche, but you can go ahead and just change it to, for example, selling how to crochet things or how to make books, how to take care of your health, create recipes, and many other things you can do here. So this is, for example, one digital product. Another one could be like your e-course, for example. And on e-course, once you will done with that, you can go ahead and create modules. So the course itself will look like so. You're gonna have modules like module 1, 2, 3, and of course add some other things. And in that module, you will see all of the lessons. So on the lesson, you can write down a short description, upload a video, or upload your files to get help basically your students to complete this module. So I have a course, I believe, somewhere here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move it to my store. Now, this is how your store could look like. Now, what I also suggest you to do, not only adding some digital products, but also by adding URL to, for example, your affiliate products, or for example, to your Instagram. I'm just gonna add my stand store for now, but basically that's what you can do. And once they will scroll down, they can go ahead and follow you there. So make sure to choose a niche first, and after that, you will be able to do this. So after that, just go ahead and share your stand store link on your Instagram or TikTok. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.